If you have one source of income in 2026, you are more exposed than you think. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because one income is no longer enough to protect your life. And the people who learn and understand this early are the ones who stay in control when things change. If this is your first time here, my name is Jane, and I talk about career transformation, income security, and building stability outside the traditional system for professionals like yourself. So if you're someone thinking about your future, your income, and how to move more intentionally, then you're in the right place. So hang in there. Let's get into today's topic. So let's talk about this properly because this is something a lot of people feel but don't always say it out loud. For a very long time, we were taught something very simple: get a job, you'll be fine. And that was the plan: study, work, be consistent, be reliable, and in return, you get stability. And to be fair, the system, had worked for a long time now, but what's happening now is different. Things are changing faster than they used to. The cost of living is rising. Industries are shifting. Roles are evolving. Sometimes, they're even disappearing. And what used to be, stability, what used to feel stable, doesn't feel as predictable anymore. Given the story I shared with you guys, how I lost my job last, 2 times in the last 2 years. And that's why this conversation matters, because it's not about fear. It's not about, making people feel uncomfortable, but it's just really about awareness. Here's the hidden risk most people ignore. The risk with one income is not always obvious, because when everything is working, it feels fine. You are getting paid, your bills are being paid and covered. And so naturally, you don't just question it, because the real question is what happens if one source of income changes? And I don't, mean gradually, I mean suddenly, like it did with myself. Because in today's world, change doesn't always come with warning, it just happens. And when everything is tied to one income, everything is affected at once: your plans, your responsibilities, your confidence. And that's when people realize it was never as secure as it felt. For me, the shift in my thinking happened right after I lost my job twice in 2 years. It wasn't something I understood immediately. It was a gradual process. It was, a gradual shift in how I started to see things. I began to notice that stability wasn't as solid as I thought. Plans could change, opportunities could shift, things didn't always move in a straight, linear line. And I have to sit with that. Because for a very long time, I believe as long as I'm working, I'm fine. But when I started asking a different question, what am I actually relying on? And that's when it clicked for me. Relying on one stream of income is insecurity, is exposure. And that doesn't mean something bad will happen. I'm not preempting that would happen, but it means if something does happen, you don't have options. And that's the difference. Hey guys, if you're gaining value from this, take a moment to subscribe, guys. So, from what I've learned recently, there are 5 things I believe that you need to understand, about income in 2026. So I'm going to break down those 5 things, and I want you to listen to them, properly, because one of these might shift how you see things. So let me break this down. The first point is one income equals 1 point of failure. When you rely on one income, everything depends on that one source. And the truth is, anything with 1 point of failure is highly risky. It's like building your entire life on one pillar and hoping nothing shakes. And for a while, it might feel fine. Nothing might, might happen to that thing. But the moment something shifts, everything, everything feels it at once. So pay attention to that. Do something about it. The second thing is that your salary is not your safety net. Your salary helps you live. It covers your bills. It keeps things moving. But it doesn't protect you from change. If that change, your salary stops, falls, or shifts, what supports you? That's the question most people avoid. And I need to ask you that question today. What would happen if everything stops? The third thing is that multiple streams of income are becoming normal. This is no longer just about side hustle. This is becoming normal behavior for professionals like yourself. People are building digital income, monetizing their skills, creating additional streams, not because they want more for the sake of it, but because they want stability they control. One thing that you need to understand also is that you don't need to start big. This is where a lot of people get stuck. They think, if I can't build something big, I won't start. But that's the wrong approach. That's the wrong mindset. You don't need big. You just need consistent. Something small that grows over time is far more powerful than something big that never starts. So start small. Fifth thing that you need to understand is that the best time to build is before you need it. Don't wait till something happens, because most people wait until something goes wrong and then everything feels urgent. But the best time to build something is when things are stable, when you have space to think, when you are not under pressure. That's where smart decision happens. So start now. If you're in a regular job, you're comfortable where you are, start asking yourself, what can I do? What else can I do with the skills that I have at the moment? Identify the skills you can monetize at the moment, so you can start to build it gently without any rush. Because let's really be honest with ourselves, if we've had all that moment where everything is fine, but your mind is already thinking, let me just have something else just in case. And honestly, that instinct is not fair, it's awareness. So if you're getting that, nudge, go ahead and do something about it. You ask, what does that mean for you? So what that does actually mean for you is, it doesn't mean you should panic. It doesn't mean you should quit your job. It doesn't mean that you should do everything at once. It means you can start thinking differently, start asking yourself question, if this income changed tomorrow, what would I rely on? What skill do I already have that I'm not using? What can I start building slowly without pressure? Because that's how how control is built, not, in big moves. You don't have to have all the answers to your questions. You don't have to learn all the skills. Just choose one area, you can start to work on. And if it requires you going back to getting a certification or getting a course to sharpen that, that particular area, this is the time for you to do that, because right now your work is stable. You're not getting any hits. There's no pressure for you to move out. So use this time around to, think about, venturing into that area that could potentially be your 9 to 5 if, you've built properly and consistently. If you're in a place where you're thinking, I don't even know where to start, I run a one-to-one clarity sessions. If you check it out, I've got some ebooks as well. And my Beacon store, you can check out, where you can learn about different ways you can monetize your skills. Better still, contact me, book a one-to-one sessions with me. We can go through your existing skills and what you could actually optimize to be able to deliver and monetize those skills that you have. If this video does resonate with you, consider liking, sharing, subscribing, because this channel is about helping you think differently, move intentionally, and build stability that doesn't depend on one source. So in the next video, we're going to talk more about, how professionals can build income outside work, and that one will give you practical direction on how to tackle this. All right. So with that, just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.